Hi there. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check if your Shopify store is live and properly confirm that your online store is visible to customers. Many beginners often ask, how do I know if my Shopify store is live? So let's walk through it step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard as an administrator. For this demo, once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the left side panel. Under Sales Channels, click on Online Store. This section is where you can manage everything about your storefront. From the drop-down, you'll see options like themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. To preview and confirm if your store is live, click on Customize. Before customizing, you can also preview your store by clicking View Online Store. This will open your actual storefront. Now, to check if your Shopify store is live, look at the top left corner inside the theme editor. If it shows live, that means your Shopify website is published and visible to the public. If it shows offline, then your store isn't live yet. This method is the most reliable way to confirm whether your Shopify store is published, visible, and accessible to customers. So that's it. You now know how to check if your Shopify store is live, how to preview your online store, and how to confirm your Shopify website status quickly. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and step-by-step setup guides.